Behold the beauty of our
creatures of my dreams, raise up and dance with me. Now and forever, I'm
The earth is beautiful, but sometimes we do not take care of it. People release gases every day, bad gases. 37.12 billion metric tons of bad gases are released each year. Greenhouse gases means carbon dioxide. If there's too much greenhouse gases, it would lead to global warming. And greenhouse gases can break the ozone layer. Ozone layer is the blanket of Earth that protects us from the ultraviolet radiation. UV is the dangerous ray of the sun that could lead to health risks and forest fire. There are two more pollutions, the water pollution and soil pollution. Pollutions can also lead to climate change.
Climate crisis. It is currently the most tropical cyclone-visited country in the world.
Husto na mabagyo, matindi na rin ang mga pagbaha kamakailan. At climate change ang sinisisi ng mga eksperto.
Yolanda, Pablo, Ulysses, Rolly, and now Odette. Environmental and climate groups warn these won't be the only deadly and destructive typhoons to hit the Philippines. Climate change is fueling more powerful storms, severe floods, and droughts as well.
If we don't do anything about this, mas lalong lalala at mas lalong magiging destructive ang mga typhoons.
Did you know that humans dump 14 million tons of trash on the ocean each year? It could lead to fish dying and humans having no safe water to drink. We need to reduce, reuse, and recycle trash or it might be too late. Every year, we dump a massive 2.12 billion tons of waste on land. And it's bad for the environment because it can prevent plants from growing. And less plants means less oxygen. And less plants means more flash floods too.